Am I the only one that didn't know dopamine is basically our brain's feel-good superstar? This tiny molecule plays a massive role in our daily lives, influencing everything from our mood to our motivation. It's fascinating how something so small can have such a big impact on our overall well-being. Let's dive into dopamine, our brain's reward chemical. It's produced in several areas of the brain, including the substantia nigra and the ventral tegmental area. When dopamine is released, it travels across synapses, the tiny gaps between neurons, to transmit signals. This process is crucial for many of our brain's functions. It's like the VIP of neurotransmitters, making us feel special and important. Imagine dopamine as the red carpet rolled out for celebrities, giving us that star-studded feeling whenever it's released. Feel pleasure, motivation, and reward. It's the reason we feel a rush of happiness when we achieve something significant, or even when we experience small joys in life. When you eat your favorite snack, hit that exercise high, or cross off a goal, dopamine gives you that satisfying yes! It's like a pat on the back from your brain saying, well done. This rewarding feeling encourages us to repeat these behaviors, reinforcing positive actions and habits. It's a natural way our brain motivates us to keep going and strive for more. But it's a double-edged sword. While dopamine can drive us to achieve great things, it can also lead us down a darker path if we're not careful. Pile on the dopamine with the addictive substances like nicotine or cocaine, and boom, you're hooked. These substances hijack the brain's reward system, flooding it with dopamine and creating a cycle of dependency. This little chemical also plays a huge role in muscle movement. It's not just about feeling good. Dopamine is essential for our physical actions as well. Low levels of dopamine can lead to serious health issues. For instance, a significant drop in dopamine levels is associated with Parkinson's disease, a condition that affects movement and coordination. Parkinson's disease is characterized by tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. It's a clear example of how crucial dopamine is for our motor functions. While too little can bring on the blues, anxiety, and zap your motivation. It's not just about physical health. Dopamine levels also impact our mental well-being. Low dopamine levels are linked to conditions like depression and anxiety. When our brain doesn't produce enough dopamine, it can leave us feeling down, unmotivated, and unable to enjoy activities we once loved. Need to focus? Dopamine's got your back, helping with learning, memory, and concentration. It's like a personal assistant for your brain, keeping you on track and sharp. Whether you're studying for an exam, working on a project, or simply trying to remember where you left your keys, dopamine is there to help you stay focused and retain information. And guess what? Different brain pathways mean